back to another episode with Lady D. It's your girl, Jushu Delays. And in today's episode, we are going to do something different. Guys, I've been following up this training on frontal and closureless installation for like 1 month. So I decided to come and share with you guys my first experience on somebody's head. Hey mama, hey country, don't see boilo. Who see boil who go fix some mama, eh, mama, eh. Ha. This country is becoming way more difficult than I thought. So a girl's gotta need some handwork to survive. Guys, no man no fool you. Handwork, it's good. No matter your profession, because I know of people that are medical doctors, engineers, and that still have handwork that is helping them survive. What more of you that has nothing to do and you think handwork is just for uneducated people and stuff like that? So you better go grab some handwork, girl. You better go grab something that would at least assist you in one way or the other. So guys, you guys will just watch, because I'm not gonna give you the details. I'm not gonna do I use this or that. For now, I just learned and I'm still trying to see if I can grab some customers from one end to the other. That's my madam with the blue top. Is that blue? I don't know. Yeah, blue top. That small girl with the bacala, that's my madam. And she said my work was good. So when I become a professional, maybe we might have tutorials here on how to do 1 or 2 things. But for now, just enjoy the video. So guys, this was actually the most difficult part for me in this game. I don't understand how people do baby face just that simple. When you see them doing it, even when my madam does it, it's very simple. Then when I took brush to do it, man, that was hell. I don't understand, like, how do you do your baby face? Maybe because my madam has a particular way she wants you to lay the edges. I did not really get it, but it was the most difficult thing for me to do on this hair. Hello. It's the smile of satisfaction for me. Guys, I just love the fact that it looks like it was her natural hair. If you look at it closely, if you saw this mesh when we started, it was a mess, and I'm happy we could come out with something this beautiful. I'm proud of my work, I'm proud of my first try, and I'm proud of myself. So guys, rate my work in the comment section, and if you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching this far. I love you.